CPA Evolution is an initiative from the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants and the National Association of the State Boards of Accountancy. There are currently 4 parts to the CPA exam. Those parts are Financial Accounting and Reporting, or FAR, Audit, Regulation, often called Reg, and Business Environment and Concepts, or BEC. These are the 4 parts that will be offered through December 2023. In January 2024, the exam will then undergo a format change. First, BEC will be retired, and the content in this exam will be shifted to other parts of the exam. Second, the new format will be a core plus discipline format, where there will be 3 required exam parts. Those will be accounting and data analytics, there will be audit, and tax. Now, additionally, BEC will be replaced with 1 discipline chosen by the candidate. Those disciplines include Business Analysis and Reporting, or BAR, Information Systems and Controls, or ISC, and Tax Compliance and Planning, or TCP. Note there will be new content added. This will mostly be in the ISC and TCP disciplines. The discipline effectively represents more in-depth coverage of one of the core exam parts. So in the end, a candidate will take only 4 parts, 3 core exams, and then 1 discipline that takes a candidate into more depth into an area of the candidate's choosing. So let's look at an example of what we mean by this. Imagine you have a candidate with an interest in tax. Imagine this candidate, a recent college graduate who had an internship in tax during college and then was offered a role in tax after college. This candidate would be required to take the 3 core exam parts, but then would opt to take Tax Compliance and Planning, or TCP. Now, the idea here is that TCP would allow this candidate to lean on prior work experience in the internship that she had, and then also the CPA exam study time would be an investment into areas that this person would need to understand as they further their time and experience in the tax field. This graphic on the right is from Becker CPA. They have, in my opinion, a very good sort of overview of how the existing exam content will map to the new exam content post-2024. A note about timeline. A common question is, what if I pass 1 or more parts of the exam prior to January 2024? How will that exam credit translate in the post-January 2024 timeline? Here's how it will work. Effectively, the exams on the left, the existing exam parts, will map as credit to the exam parts on the right. So let's imagine that in November of 2023, you pass Business Environment and Concepts. This means that after January 2024, you will be considered to have passed the discipline part of the exam. You will still have to take the accounting and data analytics, audit, and tax exam parts. Candidates should refer to the AICPA and State Board of Accountancy guidance for additional nuance, including the 18-month window. Related guidance around how long you have to pass all 4 parts will be state by state. It's very important to go to your State Board of Accountancy depending on where you want to get licensed. Finally, additional resources include the Evolution of CPA website, brought to you by the AICPA and NASBA, your State Board of Accountancy, and the prep course companies.